Cooking is really simple when you have everything around. This is another one pot meal that I am going to do a vegetable and noodle stir fry with chicken. For this recipe I am using half of a tiny cabbage, 2 bunches bok choy, 1 chicken breast. You can use any part of the chicken for this recipe. A teaspoon of sugar. This is fried Asian chili. Enough salt to your taste. A teaspoon of sesame oil. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine. And a teaspoon of fish sauce. 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. Pepper to your taste, carrot, different kinds of capsicums, chili, garlic and onion. Let's do it. First let's cut the chicken so we can leave the chicken to marinate few minutes. Cut the chicken breast in half. Then cut the chicken in an angle. Now into the chicken add fried chili. You can buy this from the Asian section of your supermarket. Then enough salt to your taste. And make sure that you remember that fish sauce, soy sauce and all the other sauces has extra salt. So less salt always, and pepper. Then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of fish sauce. And then about a teaspoon or 2 Chinese cooking wine and sesame oil, about a teaspoon. Then a bit of dark soy sauce and some oyster sauce. We need the sauces again later. Now mix it well. Now the next part, I am going to add the bok choy as this is because it's really small. If it is a larger one, you need to cut it in half. I'm going to cut the cabbage into strips. Don't cut it smaller, cut it a bit bigger. Now the carrots. Capsicum into strips too. Into a pan add about a tablespoon of oil. Into that add the marinated chicken. Stir fry the chicken about 2 minutes. After add the onion, garlic and the chilies. Cook another minute. After add the vegetables. You can add a bit more crushed chilies or the Chinese chili, then a bit of dark soy sauce, a bit of fish sauce and some Chinese cooking wine. About a tablespoon of oyster sauce. This the flavors and it caramelizes. Add a bit of sugar. Lastly, add the bok choy. After, add the cooked egg noodles. So it is ready, and a nice one pot meal you can create in less than 30 minutes.